This paste will quickly remove limescale deposits from your plumbing fixtures, and after using it, all your faucets, sinks and toilets will sparkle like the day you bought them. Hello friends, you are on the Home Tips channel. I am sure everyone is familiar with calcium deposits on plumbing fixtures. Those who are lucky and have soft water without impurities, of course, have it easier, they need to clean up less. But if you have hard water and also rusty, then in just a couple of days, your plumbing will look like it hasn't been cleaned for a month. I have exactly this problem. The faucet is covered in limescale. The sink and drain, as you can see, have also turned yellow. Now I'll show you a simple way to clean all of this. We will need 3 tablespoons of washing powder. Next you need to add 4 tablespoons of vinegar to the washing powder. Stir it a little and you can start cleaning. I wet the faucet and sink with water. Then, using a damp sponge, I take a little of the paste and spread it over the stains. What types of dirt typically accumulate on sinks? These are limescale, dead skin cells, soap scum and the products you use for care. This paste will clean all of the sinks perfectly. Apply and leave for 15 minutes. If you have more serious stains, then after 15 minutes, treat everything again and leave for a while. This way you can clean not only faucets and sinks, but also the bathtub, tiles and toilet. Simply make a small amount of the product and clean everything in the bathroom with it. This is very convenient if you suddenly decide to clean the bathroom but don't have the right products on hand. Washing powder and vinegar are definitely something everyone has. To prevent the product from drying out and to keep it in contact with the stains for longer, use napkins. It's been 15 minutes. I remove the napkins and finish cleaning up the mess. If this recipe doesn't work for you for some reason, you can try another one. It's also very effective and requires citric acid and shampoo. I will leave a link to a detailed video in the tooltip at the top right and in the description. After cleaning, be sure to rinse the plumbing fixtures thoroughly with running water to remove any remaining cleaning solution. You can also wipe them dry, which will leave them sparkling beautifully. Let me remind what kind of dirt was on my sink before cleaning. And here is my white, shining sink and faucet after. The result is, of course, magnificent, plus the paste remains and can be used to clean a lot more. So use this tip if you want to remove limescale and everything in your bathroom will sparkle. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thanks everyone for watching. See you in more videos.